Madras, India. In the first decade of the 20th century, Srinivasa Ramanujan, a young mathematician with no formal training, repeatedly stuns the academic world with innovative theorems. Even some of the world's leading mathematicians are confounded by his remarkable formulas. But just as astounding as Ramanujan's work is the fact that these formulas came to him in dreams.
He claimed that a goddess, a Hindu goddess known as Namagiri, transmitted these theorems to him. These theorems came to be known as modular functions, and still to this day, they are the most advanced form of mathematics that is used by physicists dealing with relativity and quantum mechanics.
How could someone without any background in mathematics see such complicated theorems in dreams? Does Ramanujan's story reveal how humanity can access knowledge outside the brain? Could true genius be the product of a universal mind or collective unconsciousness? Ancient Hindus believed such a repository of knowledge actually exists. A universal force that includes every thought, action, emotion, or experience that any person ever had or ever will have. Westerners later named it the Akashic Record.
It is a Sanskrit word. It means sky. It's something that can be accessed through your mind, through your brain power, through your spiritual wavelength.
Could it be that the common talent all geniuses possess is actually an ability to access the wisdom of the Akashic Record or universal mind? And if so, have other modern geniuses acquired knowledge from an otherworldly realm? Einstein received the inspiration for his groundbreaking theory of relativity in a dream. Friedrich August Kekulé discovered the elusive shape of the benzene molecule during a daydream in which he saw a snake chasing its tail. And the brilliant Russian chemist Dmitry Mendeleev literally dreamed up the periodic table of the elements.
He, in this dream, saw exactly where all of the elements lined up. The periodic table itself came in a dream, just fully formed. After coming out of the dream, he quickly drew them all down. And it's still the same that we use today.
At the Mind Research Network at the University of New Mexico, neuropsychologist Rex Young uses a magnetoencephalography, or MEG machine, to measure the brainwave activity of a test subject. Dr. Young believes this test may show how creative inspiration strikes the brain.
Okay, Andre, you ready to begin? We have 3 tasks that we're going to run with Andre. First one is vocabulary, second one is paper folding, and the third one is inductive reasoning. Andre, I want you to clench your jaw now.
As the test subject performs these everyday tasks, the MEG machine measures normal brain activity.
Andre, now move your eyes back and forth.
But then, Young has the test subject clear his mind.
Andre, can you close your eyes and relax your brain for a moment, please?
As the subject relaxes his mind, his brain activity decreases. But then suddenly, the MEG machine detects something new: alpha waves. Scientists say these brain waves indicate the unconscious mind is working behind the scenes, outside our conscious thoughts.
The alpha wave have found to be associated with divergent thinking, the manifestation of creative cognition. And it's also associated with relaxing the brain. And this is something very important, I think, to the manifestation of genius, this ability to think of new and useful ideas that haven't been thought of before.
Could alpha waves have been how Ramanujan, Einstein, and Mendeleev received their flashes of brilliance? Ancient astronaut theorists believe it is possible that what appears to be divine or inspired brilliance that pops unexpectedly into the minds of geniuses could come not from the human mind, but from an extraterrestrial realm.